Hi, I'm Kai, and today I want to show you how you can get the image next to your device in EPLAN. There is no fully automatic solution for this, but I know that a lot of people like to do this, so I try to explain it step by step, and on the end you will get a semi-automatic solution. And for all the channel members, you will get the download from the form which I create on the end of this video, one day after release of this video on my community tab on my channel. So stay tuned. In the first step, we go here to our MCCP, double click, go to the tab display, and here we add a new property. We can search for the image and add the image. This is what most people believe is the function, that you get the image next to your device. But when we click OK, we just see the path where the image is located. Anyhow, we can use this information because to add the image here, we can do a manual way. So we go to Insert and Image File. And now you can follow the path here, which is shown on your computer, and find the image file a little bit easier. So I think this is the right one. We click on Open. And now you get the question: the selected image file is not included in the current project directory and should be copied to the data backup reasons. We activate this, copy and overwrite the prompt, click OK. And now we can place it here and select the size. And we can also adjust the format if we want. We click OK and have our image next to our device. So in the next step, I recommend you to delete this again. Click OK. And what you can do now is that you mark both and create a window or symbol macro out of this. When you add this to the database, and the next time you want to insert your MCCP, you will get the image directly. So, but is there not a little bit more automatic way? And therefore, we create us a form which gives us all images of all devices on our page. First of all, we need to check some settings in EPLAN. So we go to File and Settings. And here we go to our project, to Reports, and here to Parts. And here you need to make sure that you have activated which parts you want to get in your part list, because the form we want to create later on is a summarized part list, and when you have not activated some of these parts, you will not get these parts in your part list. So for example, when you want to have cables and terminal parts as well, you need to activate it here. Then we click Apply and OK and can start to create our form. Therefore we go to Master Data and Form, and like always we click on Copy, and here we select the summarized part list and select our form which we want to use as our template. So in my case, I want to have a dynamic form, and I select the F02010. I click on Open, and now I need to give this form a new name. So I call it F02_image and click on Save. And now we can edit our form. So we basically don't need so much informations. We can basically delete nearly everything. And now we have just one placeholder text here where we change the property. So here we select now the image. We can here select part and search. Click OK. And on format, I click here on the alignment. It should be middle center, and I also activate the alignment box and make here the width 30 millimeters and the height 30 millimeters as well. I click apply and OK. And now I also change my data area. And now I open the page navigator and click on my form, go to properties. And here you can see number of rows and the row height. So basically we have done a 30 millimeter setting in our data. So I change here to 30 millimeter as well. We click OK. And now we can close our form. And we want to place a report. So first I do it here on this page just for one cable. We go to Tools and Generate. And here we go to the tab Reports, and on plus we click here on Manual Placement, Current Page, activate the Summarized Part List, and select here our new form. We click OK and can now place our form. So here you can see now the image of our cable, and when you activate this cable now with your Shift button, you can duplicate it and can place it, for example, here under your cable. You can now also make it a little bit bigger, the image, and delete the form. So now you have the image from your prefabricated cable below your cable. And now let us have a look how it looks on this page. So we generate a report. And I need to scroll down a little bit. You can see that you have now all the images from the parts on your page in one report. And here you can now activate it with your Shift button, right click and duplicate, and move it next to your device. And as I told you before, if you have done all of this, you need to make a macro out of this to get it next time directly. Then we can delete our form and are ready. If you still want to learn more about EPLAN, I recommend you to watch this video. If you have further questions about how to show the image next to the device, please leave a comment. And when you find my video helpful, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe and activate the notifications. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye.